tire, honestly.
You've got to be kidding me right now.
He's trying to find the key.
The stuff he drives.
Crazy thoughts that stay on my mind.
Comes so quick, goes so easy.
I'm doing
Alright guys, so if you saw in the last video, you saw where I finally decided to sell my other Jeep that I purchased. Yeah, a lot of stuff happened to it. I'll play a clip of it right now. But yeah, if you want to see that, click the link right up there. It was very, very funny story of that Jeep. But now I got $1,500 from that Jeep, which was like an $800 profit for me, which I was really stoked about. So the game plan with that is to use that money to go towards buying another vehicle today. So don't skip ahead. Alright guys, we just ate breakfast, right Jerry?
Uh-huh.
Anyway, as you can see, we have an hour and 56 minutes, if you'll focus, to get to our destination. Well, if you can see there, we have 112 miles that way. Hang on, I can see the road reflection in your glasses.
Why do you think I bought them? This thing is bagged, first off, and it has a wide body kit. What are we buying?
Alright guys, 2 hours has passed and we are about to pull into place. Jeremiah still does not know what we're going to go buy. Do you have any ideas?
I literally have no idea.
Like any?
You said it was a Mustang, but I
did say it was a Mustang. Dude, I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous.
It's right here. The new edge. There she be.
There she be, Jerry. Jesus Christ.
You've got to be kidding me right now.
Whoa. Charlie?
What up, Cup?
Oh my. Look at that, Jerry.
So we got a trailer park special right here. And so I hop out of the truck and...
Yeah, we just get here.
Oh my God. I can't
More
remember.
The story, there's something supposed to be there.
Yeah.
So this trailer isn't coming off.
Oh, it's coming off, but I don't know, it ain't going back on.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we just got here and the car's in the background. I won't show you quite yet, but the guy, it looks like a good deal. We'll probably end up buying it, but he's trying to find the key to the car that we drove 2 hours to buy.
Came to buy.
Yeah, he's trying to find a key for it.
Alright, see you, boss.
Alright guys, he's coming back down here. Hopefully he has a key, but I'll talk to you guys in a second, let you guys know what happens. Hopefully we'll be buying a car.
Hey, I'm just saying.
Yes, sir?
If he don't have the key, I'm gonna have a very select choice of words to use.
Yeah, we're gonna have a problem. Basically, he doesn't have the key today. He doesn't have the key today, so we agreed on another price, and we were gonna come back tomorrow.
Dude, the stuff you dragged my into.
I can't believe this is happening. Update! He might actually be able to get the key today, so we're gonna go get lunch like we said, and maybe if there's any hope at all in the entire universe and 2020 and everything, we might be able to take this car home today. Please. We are on the way home, basically, yeah. We're gonna come back tomorrow with a better game plan and hopefully purchase this vehicle for a lower price.
Wait, are we actually driving back tomorrow?
I guess so. Odds are, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when they're on the way. When we're on our way to go buy a car again. Any last words for the day, Charlie?
No, I mean they can't all be 10s, and that's what we learned today. That it's a good deal, but kind of got screwed over in the short run.
Yeah, more of the story is they can't all be 10s. Man. Alright guys. Happy birthday, Charlie. Are you excited for our voyage?
Yeah, man.
Alright. We just got breakfast. We're gonna go back 2 hours like you saw at the beginning of this video, and we have a new big guy in the back seat.
Hey.
So, man, we're gonna get on the road. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting.
All right, guys, and like that, the deal has been made. I have officially purchased my first Mustang. This hunk of junk. I paid $900 for this car, and soon it's going to look a lot different than it does right now. But for the price, I can't beat it.
Not too bad.
A little clapped. But yeah, now the challenge is getting this thing home. We're gonna strap this thing down, and I'll give you guys a better tour of it when we get home. But yeah. You nervous?
If my brakes would work, then no.
And we're on the interstate.
So,
all right, guys, we just stopped at a local Chick-fil-A just to get a quick lunch, but we went to check the car, and we realized, Troy?
she got a little squirrely on the right here, boss.
Apparently we lost a couple straps.
We lost one strap, all right?
Hey, but she's mint. Mint. What is it? Whew. All right, let's try this again. You all right, old man? I don't know if you guys can see because of the camera, but we are shaking a ridiculous amount, and this man has to go take a deuce. All right, guys, we just got home, about to unload this little beautiful beast. Look at that, that looks beautiful. We're just gonna put her in the barn. We got the F100 pulled up. It's freezing outside, but look at this thing. I'm very pleased with my purchase. What do you think, Charlie?
I mean, it's a Mustang, so I'm happy.
oh gosh. Oh. All right, we're gonna unload this thing. I'll talk to you guys in 1 second because it's freezing. Woo. Not too bad. I like this taillight. Sounds good. That's one way to do it.
Yeah, can you roll up? You want me to just leave right here?
Yeah, just leave it right there.
I got pissed.
Oh, shalom, Carolina.